For you creators out there, the pain of filming B-roll is real. You are either stuck with shooting static video or shaky footage. Well, not anymore. Presenting the Feiyutech Vimble 2. This is a 3-axis gimbal or stabilizer for your smartphone and your action camera with a nifty little adapter. So let's stop jabbering and get right into it. This is how the Vimble 2 is shipped. I got it from GearBest for $85.99 US dollars or around 6,000 Indian rupees. If you are interested to check it out, click on the link down in the description. Let's check out the box first. While the gimbal is available in a variety of weirdly named colors, the one I have opted for is the safe and somewhat logical dark black. And in the most hilarious manner, it specifies that a smartphone is not included. You know, people can be stupid at times. The Vimble 2 ships in this protective carry case, which reminds me of a violin, and I don't know why. Coming to the protective aspect, it does not yield a lot of confidence. It's more of a carry case than a protective case, that is. Inside the case, we have a mini tripod, a wrist strap to secure the Vimble 2 while in use, some documentation, a micro USB cable to charge the gimbal, and an assortment of cables to connect your phone to the gimbal for charging your device while in use. These Chinese companies, they load up their stuff with accessories. Not that I'm complaining, that is. And finally, here is the Vimble 2. It is made of high quality plastic, feels reassuring in the hand, has an ergonomic design, and overall feels pretty premium. At the front, there are 3 buttons. The first one is a multi-directional joystick to manually control the movement of the gimbal. The one in the center acts as a power button as well as the mode selector. The one at the very bottom is the camera shutter or record button, but this works only with the companion app. To one side is the zoom or focus slider, but this is also an app-only feature. The other side of the gimbal has the micro USB port for charging the Vimble 2. To the back, there is a trigger button that is used to enter the lock mode or to reset the orientation of this gimbal. Up top is the phone holder. It has a nice rubber coating on the inside to prevent your phone from scratching. There are also inbuilt grooves or lips to ensure that your phone is properly nestled while in use. The spring mechanism of the holder also feels pretty sturdy. On the phone holder is another micro USB port. This one transfers power out and can be used to charge your phone with the gimbal's inbuilt battery while in use. The balancing mechanism on the Vimble 2 is pretty nifty. There are no screws to fumble with. It works on a simple sliding mechanism. Once your phone is balanced, you can make a note of the number on the scale to ensure that balancing it for subsequent use becomes a lot more easier. To the bottom of the gimbal, you will find a tripod thread. You can use it to attach the provided mini tripod or even mount this to a full-sized tripod with a 1/4-inch screw. The holes here are meant to be used to fix the wrist strap that protects it against inadvertent slips. To be honest folks, I am at best a noob when it comes to gimbals. So I will definitely need some time to go through the documentation and play around with this before I'm ready to share my 2 cents with you. If you're interested to know what I think, Make sure to subscribe and also follow me over at Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram for more snippets and behind the scenes. Till the time I finish up my review of the Vimble 2, you guys be good and be curious. Bye bye.